Hello guys, I have 2009 Honda Civic 2-door coupe, and I have problem with my headlight switch. This one, headlight switch interrupter. So what will I do is to replace it, and I bought the spare parts to AutoZone. The headlight switch, this one, I need to order first, and later I need to pick it up. They don't have a stock, so the only tools that you need is Phillips. Okay, we're gonna start replacing, remove the screw. There's a 3-hole here, 1, 2, and there's another one on the bottom. So we need to remove it, the 3-hole. At first we need to put all the way down the lever and lock it and start removing the screw. 1, and that one, 2, and there's one more here at the bottom. Here, there's 3. So once the screw removed, we need to remove the panel at the bottom, put it down, and then we need to remove the panel for this one. So you need to separate this. Both sides. See, let's remove already. 1, and the bottom, 2, so no more. So after that, we need to put the key in, so we can move the steering wheel 90 degrees, facing to the so you can have an access to the screw for the headlight switch. Need to take this out, the 2 screws, this 1, 2, 1, and 2. So now we need to remove the wiring. There's a wiring at the back. Yeah, you need to press. Wait. Now it's remove the switch, the connection. So if we have we need more space, so we need this panel too to remove it. There's a screw on this side, this one, so we can remove this. See, everything is easy, snap on. Now it's removed, so we have more space now to remove the headlight switch. It's disconnected already, so that's it. Just slide up. Now it's removed. See, easy. You're gonna put the new one. I'm gonna, because there's like oil. I'm gonna put the new one here. I'm gonna put this one. This one. Click, and you need to put the wiring here. Because this is the first time I did this. It's hard. Okay. It's in already, so I need to put it back. Slide it in. See? Click. Easy. So simple and easy. You save money. You can clean the dashboard. And gonna put it back. The panel. This one. Here we go. Whew. Sorry. Now it's in. Everything is in. In. Very good. put it back. This one. There you go. Next, this one, the cover. Here we go. Again. Oh wait, I need to put it back the screw. I forgot to put the screw, the two screws. This one. There's two screws. Well, I save money. This is due to pandemic. You need to save money. Almost done. Just put it back. Let's go. Okay. Here we go. And the other one. Sorry, because I'm doing it by myself. So nobody's holding the camera. So I can show it to you. Almost. Here we go. I got it. Okay. Ready to clip it together. Here we go. The other side. Just click in. Yeah, just click. Everything's click, 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 click. Now you need to push. It's crazy. steering wheel again. So, and put it back the screw at the bottom. See, these three, 1, 2, and 3, and just put it back like this. I'm done. So headlight switch is replaced. Sorry, I cannot hold the camera, so it's moving a lot. Thank you guys. Thank you.